bleach my hair, mess it up, take my life, dress it up, signed a deal. I got paper cuts, they want it down, but they got us. Yeah, yeah. Sleeping in, fake sick, smoked a blunt, had a kid, don't belong, I'm a punk, hello world, you fucking suck. Hey, hey, keep my mouth shut and wait. Hey, hey, I'm dancing on my grave. Everybody's so nice lately.
Everybody's not nice.
Polarized feelings, I don't wear them on my face lately.
I don't wear them on my face.
Internalize everything the headlines say lately.
Everything they say.
Demonized just because I was an angel face, baby.
Baby, suicide.
Hey, hey, keep my mouth shut and wait. Hey, hey, I'm dancing on my grave. I spend a lot of nights thinking I might go to sleep and then never wake up. I spend a lot of money on these therapy sessions even though I'm not showing up. I spend a lot of time healing my mind and my heart, but I still put these drugs in my gut. Me and my girl were just screaming at each other right before we both got out of the truck. I got some demons inside, I'm trying to free them aside. I'm from the clean east side where the boy you was just starving with you now might try to eat you alive. Damn, y'all said that I switched genres. I saw the limit and took it farther. I'm a genius, could've made Donda, but the song is for my dead father.